Good morning. After a nice and romantic night in my wet sleeping bag, I'm back on the road. Unfortunately, I forgot to charge one battery. Yesterday I thought I would have three, now I have got just one left. That means it's not enough to Ljubljana, and I must find a place tonight where I can charge it. Well, the cult around the Holy Virgin Maria is really big here in Slovenia. That at every street corner there are chapels, brand new ones, really old ones, things like this here. It's really, you can find it all over in the country. If you have got a battery which is running, or which is 1/3 is empty, and this after only 8 kilometers, and now you are hiking all the time up the hill, it's not that good for my feelings, and I'm a little bit worried, but somehow things are always working out. I took a shower under the tree, I turned up my tent, and over there in that house they are so nice charging my batteries. Perfect, it couldn't be better.